Welcome back to Talk Tech with Spec. Today I'm going to teach you how to create a class on SRA Reading Labs or to delete and add a new class for the current school year. So what we're going to do is we're not going to click on the entire book. What you're going to do is you're going to click on the words Reading Laboratory 2.0 Grades K-5. So you're going to click on this underlined word right here, and it's going to take you now to your management site. So this is your management site for Reading Labs. What you're going to do is you're going to click on Manage and Assign. Once I click on Manage and Assign, it says I currently do not have any classes, so I can click a button to create a class. Now, if you currently already have a class right here, please delete that class from your account so we can start very fresh for this school year. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click Create Class, and I'm going to name my class. Let me name it Spectacular. And let's make this a second grade class. Now you could use a simplified login. What a simplified login will give kids a very short and simple password to use, but starting in 2nd through 5th grade, I think we should be okay with using our regular Google logins. If you would like to try to create a simplified login, please let me know and we can work together because I do have a shortcut link on the Weebly site for that as well. So we're gonna click Save. And my class should be created. Now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to add students. Now remember when I said earlier to remove previous classes? To do that, you will actually just click Remove Class. I'm going to click Add Students, and all your students are in the database. So what I'm going to want to do is all classes. I can actually add students if you're piloting the other program. This is key. If you're piloting the Wonders program, you can actually find your Wonders class right here, and it'll have all your students from your Wonders class. Then you can select all and add them to this class as well. If you're not piloting, what you're going to want to do is just all classes and just select your grade level. I'm going to put 2nd grade and click Search. Now all my students will show up right here. So what I'm going to want to do is I'm going to want to actually click on the word last name. This is key because then this will actually sort it by last name. Otherwise, you're going to be skipping around and it's probably going to sort it just by first names only. Then I can go through and I can click every student that is in my class. I'm going to select just a variety of random students for the purpose of showing you how to use this. Once I click on all of my students for my class, I'm going to click Save. If a student does not show up on the list, please just email me, let me know, and I'll get them right into the program for you. So then it's going to have my student list right here. I can view their passwords. I can remove them from the class. I can get their profile, and I can also print a password list, which is nice. You can print a list of usernames and passwords. For Connect Ed, usernames are their Google accounts. Passwords are their Google passwords. However, I've had to add a 2 from Marengo to the front of all their passwords because it required a number. So you might want to print the password list. Also, if there was a duplicate somewhere in the world of that name, we had to modify their username a little bit. So double check that everyone's usernames and passwords are the same as their Google accounts. Once you have all of your students in here, you're ready to go, but your students aren't ready to go yet. They need to have the book assigned to them, otherwise the program will not work. So on the very top right, you'll see where it says Connect Ed in yellow. Click on Connect Ed, and this will get you right back to your main home screen. Now on this home screen, what I'm going to want to do is look right here at my student edition and where it says Assign Content. This is the most crucial part. Otherwise, your students will log in and have absolutely no books to use. So you have to click Assign Content, and you're going to want to select Reading Lab Student Edition. Click Next. 608 means I have 608 licenses throughout the whole school to use. It's almost like you're handing out physical textbooks because every kid gets a license. So I'm clicking Next, and then I'm going to select all of my students. I'm going to click Next again, and I'm going to click Assign. And what that is going to do is it's going to assign and redeem the content for your students. I'm going to click OK. You'll see that now it goes back to your main screen. That means that all of the content has been assigned to my students. So when they log in, they will have the book and they will be ready to go. Any questions about using Reading Labs with your students, logging in, any of this, please do not hesitate to email me and let me know. Also, if 2nd grade, if you want to use some simplified logins, you may do so and let me know and I can come and help you out. All right, thank you so much and have a great day.